Wow. Brian, this is like a customer service air traffic control center.
Yeah, that's where the magic happens. Well, just being able to intake the calls and have live information, always being able to be on top of who's available and trying to route the guy and schedule the person to the right tech. It allows us to do that by displaying what we have for our reports, but live information on where our guys are even going. So we can make sure that when a call comes in, we're booking it to the soonest person available and in a priority level.
So what I'm seeing on these screens here is real-time information, where that tech is at that given time, where that tech is going, and also real-time customer reports, calls in, appointments.
Real-time, calls coming in, calls on hold, customers who need to be rescheduled or an emergency situation, we're able to place everyone where they need to go in a timely manner.